Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and today I'm sharing some happy mail that I'm going to be sending out to a friend. We decided to do a one-on-one private swap. So this is with Angela Velasquez on YouTube. So I'll link to her channel. So it's going to be a two-part video because I made a lot of stuff. So I'm going to start with this bag that I made, loaded bag, for part one. And this is a bag that I made myself. Now, what I learned in making this bag was that I needed to have a gusset because it was really tight. It didn't fit very much stuff because basically I just sewed it. It's really easy. I just put two pieces of paper together, kind of cut a little slit here and sewed it. But I didn't really make a gusset. So that's kind of my bad. So I know that for next time. So that's kind of why there's two parts to it. But even the other one that I made that I'm going to show in my part two, I had a lot of stuff and it just didn't all fit. So anyway, that's why there's two parts. So what I did for the front is I used one of my hot cocoa embellishments for the front. And then this Hocus Pocus chipboard. And this is all Tuesday morning chipboard stuff that I've been working through, and I've been using it in a lot of projects. So I feel really good about that. So in here, it's in here tightly. I'm giving her the other tag that I made, Julie Nutting. This is like a wood tag. It's wood, and I painted it. And the chipboard I got from Tuesday morning. I have a video that shows this as well, but I also used some of my flowers that I made and other products that I've gotten from Tuesday morning. So there's that. And then I have a couple of things in here on this side. So the first is I gave her some like hot glue particles. Some of the hot cocoa that I made, little hot cocoa cups that I made, 4 of those, and I threw in some shred just to kind of make it look a little bit festive. And then I attached it with some staples, closed it shut with some staples and a piece of hot glue everywhere, of scrap that I had. I just stapled it on there. And then this is a rosette that I made. So for this rosette, I just made the rosette, and then I put some glitterific on the rosette here. And then this is some Dollar Tree tulle. It's the tulle that has like the gold spider web on it. Very cute. So I put a piece of scrap of that on here, along with some more chipboard pieces that I got from Tuesday morning haul that I did. So that's one of the things that I made. And then I also made this little kind of, I don't know what you would call it, like a little folder. So what I did was I used, this is a, like I just hauled it. It's a Michaels stamp and die set. It was 40% off, plus I had the $20 off of 50. So it's kind of Tuesday morning hauls that I did. And this is the die. And it's kind of funny because the stamps that are listed here with the die don't even really kind of go with it, really, in my opinion. I mean, they're not, the stamps, this isn't the die for the stamps. It's like a tree and I forget what else that are with it. But I bought it originally because I really liked this die, because I don't know that this is really, I mean, it doesn't really look spooky. I think it'd be really cute to use it for Disney. I think it'd be cute with the little cute dragons that I've seen other stamp companies have. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this die that doesn't scream Halloween to me. And then I used some of these foam pieces, which I love. They're American Crafts, and I don't have a lot of it like left. So this is from Tuesday morning. So I've been using all of those pieces as well in my crafting. And I use a tutorial from Pop Fizz Paper, Pop Paper Fizz. I'll try to find the tutorial and link to it. So it's pretty simple. And you open it up, and I didn't put a lot of things in here because I didn't want it to be too hard to close, because this was like kind of hard to close. So this is a bag that I got from Tuesday morning, and in the bag I just put some twine. Now, this was twine that I got from Maya Road in their box. And so at first I was like, it's not that much stuff I can use. But I mean, this twine actually ended up being wonderful because there's a lot of it. And I've actually really been using that twine. I've been needing twine in those colors. So it's been kind of nice. So this kind of is a little bulky. So I didn't want to put a lot of things in here because I want it to be able to close nicely. So I have the twine. And then in here, just some simple bookmarks. Now, I used my 3-in-1 punch that I got from Hobby Lobby, Tag Punch. So this one's 2-inch, and then these two are 2 1/4, I think. It's 2.5 that it goes up to inches. And then I just notched the front of these. And so they're fairly simple tag shapes, and so they can just be embellished. And then on this side, back here, this is a goodie bag that I made. And so you can see how I made this in my Halloween collaboration week 5 video. And I don't know if I'll remember to link to all these things. So if there is something you want to see and I forgot to link to it, make sure you comment and I will find the link and put that in there, because this will probably go up in a couple of weeks because from when I'm filming it, because I'm basically filming it, then I'm going to get, do some finishing touches, pack it, mail it, and then she has to receive it, and then I can post my video. So I don't want to spoil the surprise. So these are the little, like little lollipops that I made. Not really lollipops, but like little sticks of fun. So these are really cute. And I showed this also in that video. I didn't make these. I had gotten these in Happy Mail last year. I actually did a Halloween swap. I don't do hardly any swap. I hardly did any swaps last year. So I'm trying to do more of those swaps in general, because wow, I was so excited to find, that I had those shapes, those die cuts that I gotten. And then all I did was hot glue them to some popsicle sticks. So I used more of that foam glitter stuff, American Crafts, that I got from Tuesday Morning. And I got to tell you that some of the stuff I got from Tuesday Morning really ended up being fabulous. And I was really able to use a lot of it. So this is what the envelope looks like when it's empty. And you can see it doesn't have like a lot of, once you put something bulky in there, it just really takes up the space. So I would have been better off creating some sort of a gusset. But I do like the sewing look. I think it looks really nice and kind of fun. And anyway, be sure to watch part 2. The part 2 is pretty spectacular. I just didn't want this video to be too long. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane.